Here you go, guys. This is the tools I used. 20 millimeter, 27, 35, 13 swivel, 15 swivel, 18 swivel, a few wrenches, 17, 18 millimeter screwdrivers, basic stuff. Okay, this is a 07 Equinox all-wheel drive. I just pulled the front transfer case. Found some directions on AutoZone.com that kind of help you get there. You'll pull your axle out, and then they claim number 7 on their list. You need a special tool to remove the little half shaft there. You don't. Take all 6 bolts out of it. This will slide back, and then you can clip some vice grips on it and tap it with a hammer. I think I got a video of it somewhere. Remove everything off of it. The upper bracket, the mount, output shaft yoke. You need all the room you can get to get it out of that hole. They say you can leave some of that stuff on. Doesn't work. Now that I got the case out, I'll show you what my problem was. It's real easy to separate. Just take the bolts out of it, set on some pins. Kind of see it sticking up there. Simple inside. It's a ring and pinion gear, a couple bearings. My trouble is that really only have 2 options. You can buy another case, new or used, your decision, whatever. Or you can remove the ring gear, make sure all your bearings are good, those will be important to you later. Put it all back together, put it back in and run 2-wheel drive or front wheel drive. Now, my option is to remove the ring gear and go front wheel drive only, because it's just a work vehicle, just daily driver for me. So what you want to do, if you're going to do that, you want to clean all that gunk out, because you need to keep all these bearings intact. They need to be clean and used. This pretty much won't serve a purpose anymore. But when it's back in, I will put the yoke on it so it tightens it down, holds it in place like it should be. But without this ring gear, there won't be any contact, so you'll be able to ride just with front wheel drive. Okay, we've got it all cleaned up. Got a bunch of debris out of it. Got the ring gear off. Had to split it in half with a 3-inch cutting wheel. When you get it unbolted, it doesn't clear the lower bearing there. It's pressed on. So everything's cleaned and ready. Bearings are in good shape. I'm going with option 2, which would be front wheel drive only. So as long as you keep your bearings and races in good condition, should go. Got the ring gear cut out. After you unbolt it, and split it in half with a 3-inch cutting wheel. That's all the tools I used. You'll use the block when you knock the ring gear off. That way you don't hurt your spline in there or anything. Almost 5-mile test drive. No noise, no lights, no issues so far. Everything feels pretty good.